How to Use Hoopla, brought to you by the Sunflower County Library System. What is Hoopla? Hoopla is a digital media service which enables patrons to borrow a selection of audiobooks and ebooks via a browser, smartphone, or tablet. How can I register? Register for an account by visiting www.hoopladigital.com or using the Hoopla app and clicking Sign Up. You will need to provide an email address, create a password, and have your library card information. Download the free mobile Hoopla apps at the following places. Download on the App Store. Get it on Google Play. Available at Amazon. Available on Roku players and TV, Chromecast, and Amazon Alexa. Hoopla's 3-step sign up. Download the app or go to hoopladigital.com. Log in with your library card. Instantly borrow ebooks and audiobooks 24/7 with your library card. How does it work? Easily browse titles on your computer or mobile device by clicking Browse and choosing the Audiobooks or eBooks tab. You can also search for a specific title by clicking on the search box and typing in your title or keyword. How do I borrow titles? To borrow a title, click on the titles icon and click the Borrow button. The borrowed titles can be found under the My Titles tab for viewing and or listening. How long can I keep a title? How do I return them? The lending period for borrowed titles is 3 weeks and will automatically return when your lending period is over. What if I need help? If you need help, call any branch of the Sunflower County Library System. For additional information, please visit www.hoopladigital.com and click the Need Help link at the bottom of the page. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.